We are China Railway No.5 Engineering Group, Fiji Limited, which has already operating business in Fiji for more than 13 years. So we are much more localized company here. We just come back to Fiji 2 months ago. Unfortunately, the coronavirus will spread, but we can see that the government provides very workable and feasible policies for the people. And the people here are all well cooperated. So our company here is very inspired. So we stay in the office, we think that it's our time for our company to do something to help our brothers, right? So next installation, it is just the right time that's for a company here to do something for Fiji. So we hope that CL5 could be work with Ministry of Health in a long term to fight against with the virus, with the biggest accomplishment. So this is only the first donation we are proposing to donate, but in the future I already told my colleague to build a strong link with Ministry of Health that we will liaise with your good office in a bi-weekly basis. So if there's anything needs CL5 to do in the future, just please don't hesitate to let us know. So we will keep on supporting. And last but not least, Ministry of Health is really doing a lot of job for Fiji. We feel quite moved. So it's also make our company colleagues very inspired. So we strongly believe that we can win this war. Thank you very much.
On behalf of the Minister of Health and also government, we'd like to thank you for your support, for providing provisions that we can give to people who are in need at this difficult time. As you're aware that we're fighting locally transmitted cases of COVID-19, and we thank you for coming forward. There's been organizations that have come, and certainly the offer of support that you've given us today will be very helpful in the work that we're doing, especially for people who are affected by not being able to go to work, staying at home, and even those who are in isolation. So we thank you for that, and again we keep on reiterating the message that of COVID-safe practices, certainly in your organization, making sure that we have simple things such as Care Fiji app, physical distancing, hand hygiene, encouraging people to have their own bubbles so that we don't mingle or mass gather, so that we can try and work together to break the chain of transmission of COVID-19. So once again, thank you for this offer, and obviously it will be very useful to those it will be given to, and we look forward to working with you again in the near future.